Hi guys, welcome to Morning Line Tips. In today's video, we are giving you 2 hours for our daily 2 hours. Okay, all the games we have today is tennis, and we have games in the LTP. We have a game between Bonzi Benjamin versus Paul Tommy, and the prediction is Paul Tommy to win a set, meaning Paul Tommy will win a single set out of the 3 sets they will play. Then we have a second game where TM Dominic is taking on Kobeli Flavio, and our prediction is Dominic TM to win a set. And then we also have a game between Paris Burnout versus Novak Dennis, and our prediction is Novak Dennis to win a set. Then we have another game between Sharapolov